Hello and welcome to my tutorial. As always, it gives me great pleasure to always teach in this platform. Today we are going to consider the topic cardinal and ordinal numbers in Urhobo. As you can see from your screen, cardinal and ordinal numbers in Urhobo language. I know many of you have not heard of cardinal and ordinal numbers before, so I'm going to explain. Well, cardinal numbers are numbers that tell us the quantity or amount of something that we have. They tell us how many things we have. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 100, 200, 1 million. These are cardinal numbers because they tell us that we have so amount of things. For example, I can say I have 3 books. I have 3 books. The number 3 now is cardinal because it is telling you exactly how many books I have. So that is what a cardinal number is. Now, what about ordinal numbers? Why cardinal numbers tell us the quantity or how many things that we have? Ordinal numbers tell us the rank, the arrangement, or the position, the level of the things that we have. For example, I can say I am the third child of my parents. Here now, the word third has put me in a position or in a rank or a level or in an arrangement in regards to the number of children in the house. So that is what ordinal numbers are. Ordinal numbers tell us the rank, the level, the arrangement of things in a sequence. The table there shows some of the cardinal numbers that we have in Urhobo. So we are going to do a quickie on this one. 1 in Urhobo is ovo, ovo. 2 is ive, ive. 3 is era, era. 4 is ene, ene. 5 is iyorin, iyorin. 6 is esa, esa. Esa is 6. 7 is igwe, igwe, igwe. 8 is arere, arere, arere. 9 is iririn, iririn. 10 is ihwe, ihwe. Now these are some of the examples of cardinal numbers that we have. Now let's go to ordinal numbers in Urhobo. Before I give you some of the list of ordinal numbers in Urhobo, let me just give you a quick tip on how to get or write ordinal numbers in Urhobo. Urhobo language ordinal numbers follow a pattern, a rule. All you have to do is when you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or any other number, if you want to get it in the ordinal way, at the beginning of the word, all you have to do is add O arrow, the special vowel sound O and arrow at the beginning of the word. For example, if supposing we wanted to write second in Urhobo, we already know that Ive is 2 in Urhobo. So all you have to do is add the O arrow to Ive. It will not give you Orive, Orive. So this rule apply to the numerals in Urhobo except for 1. Let's use another example. Supposing we wanted to get the ordinal number for 5. All we have to do is add the special vowel sound O and arrow as we've seen before. Now let's get to it. We already know that 5 in Urhobo is inyorin, inyorin. So to construct this, we add the O arrow to the beginning of the spelling of inyorin to get the ordinal form of numbers in Urhobo language. So it will not give you orinyorin, orinyorin. So this rule applies to all the numbers except for number 1. The table there shows a list of some of the ordinal numbers in Urhobo. Number 1, remember, is an exception. is ọ̀rẹ́ sòsúọ́, that's first. 2, ọ̀rìvẹ́ for second. Ọ̀rìrá is third. Ọ̀rẹ́ni is fourth. Ọ̀rìyànrin is fifth. Ọ̀rìsá is sixth. Ọ̀rìwẹ́ is seventh. Ọ̀rẹ́rìnrìn is eighth. Ọ̀rìrìnrìn is ninth. Ọ̀rìkwé is 10th. Now, as we always do at the end of each of our class, we consider some common phrases used every day in Urhobo language, and today's class is not going to be an exception. So let's just get into it. The table shows a list of the common phrases used every day in Urhobo language. Number 1 is nune. Nune means today. Nune, today. Number 2 is oderohware / oderokpori. Oderohware or oderokpori is yesterday. 3 is oderocha. Oderocha is tomorrow. 4 is herowe. 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 Herowe means wait for me. 5 is meliemu. Meliemu means I'm eating. Meliemu, I'm eating. 6 is vrenetin. Vrenetin means live there. Vrenetin means live there. Vrenetin. 7th is diewolwe. Diewolwe means what are you doing? Diewolwe, what are you doing? 8 is wakare. Wakare. Wakare means are you coming now? 9 is sewe wode tuwoni. Sewe wode tuwoni means call me when you get home. 10 is kedi kede. Kedi kede means every day.